to my channel, and today I'm creating this look. I sat to do a very simple eye look, but I ended up doing this. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So first up, I'm going to start priming my face, and I'm using the Pack Pore Primer. I like this primer. It's quite good, and I'm starting using it on my cheeks where there's a lot of pores, and I'm packing the product in. Now this is a really good formula. It's a thick formula, and I love the way this smells as well, and it spreads really good. And next I'm gonna let this sit for a while, and I'm gonna skip to my brows. Now I'm not super defining my brows, but yes, I'm gonna brush them, and I'm gonna just define it slightly using the spoolie side of this right now. I don't want my brows to be super defined, but I want them to be in place and not shift. And I'm taking the sharpened side of the brow pencil, and I'm just slightly taking this through my brows. And the foundation that I'm using today is the Bobbi Brown foundation, the stick foundation, and I'm in the shade Honey. It's a fantastic formula, I must say, guys, and it spreads on the skin so smoothly. I mean, look at this. And I've got the perfect shade apparently, so it just blends in really well. And this is a really good formula as well. This is a travel packaging. You can always carry it with you and you're good to go. And using a beauty blender, I'm just dabbing the product in. Just gonna go back a little on my cheeks. And this is the Maybelline concealer in medium. So guys, how is the Christmas celebration going? So I'm super packed. So tomorrow we are traveling to Amravati, and I gotta go and pick up a lot of stuff today. I have not shopped, so I'm gonna go to H&M and Zara, pick up some sweaters, cardigans, because it's super hella cold in Amravati. Next, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder, and this is the shade Banana, and I am going to use this under my eyes to just set my concealer. This is a very inexpensive setting powder. You can also go with Laura Mercier or Chanel. Chanel is good, and I'm not going to keep this for long. I'm not a great fan of baking, but the reason I'm doing today is because I sort of feel that my under eye is quite dry and I'm creasing a lot, so just for that. Next, I'm going to go with the NYX eyeshadow palette. This is the Dusk to Dawn palette, and this is a really fantastic palette. And I mean, look at the shades. These are all smoky shades, earthy shades, best for a smoky eye look, and they have quite good pigment as well. I'll show it and show you. Look at that. It's quite pigmented. The only thing that I don't like about this palette is the shades are quite similar. I mean, look at that. I mean, I don't see much of a difference. So guys, this palette does not have any, the name of the shades. So what I'm doing is, there's only one matte shade over here, and I'm going with that. There's a little fall back in the pan, but that's okay. I mean, every eyeshadow palette has that. And I'm slightly going right in the crease. For my both eyes. Of course I'll do it for both eyes. What's wrong with me? Anyways guys, so continuing, I'm going to Amravati and I'm planning to vlog a lot. Amravati is my hometown and I love going there. I'm gonna go with the black shade in this. Now there are two blacks over here. One is a shimmery black and one is a matte black. So I'm going with the matte black, and I'm gonna use this right at the corner of my eye. slightly just blending it in circular motion. It's very pigmented, guys. I love the way this the black color is coming up. I've taken a very small amount and it's pushing in really good. I'm gonna go back with the same brush and the first shade that we applied to blend this in. This is a nice golden shade over here, and I'm gonna use it right in the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going with this darker shade over here and using this as a transition between my lighter shade and the black that I've placed in the outer corner of my eye. Taking the same black shade for my lower lash line. Going with my mascara, and this is the Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Mascara. I'm not going to be contouring my face today, but I'm using this powder by MAC. This is the Studio Fix powder in the shade NC47. And I'm just going to chisel my cheeks and my jawline with this so that it looks a little crisp and not out of definition. So for my cheeks, I want something really fresh because the eye is looking quite dramatic. Apparently, I sat for a very simple eye, but you know, I ended up doing this. So I'm going with this Body Shop really pleasant peachy pinky color, and I'm gonna use this for blushing my cheek and, you know, fresh. My highlighter, I'm going with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm in the shade Molten Gold. I am really liking this highlighter for, I don't know, it just blends in so well and it's really inexpensive. And I'm not taking a bigger brush, I'm taking a smaller brush to blend this in. Cupid's bow. Ooh, that's too much. I'm taking the other side to just soften this up. Lastly, I'm going with my setting spray and I'm going to set my face. It's like taking a shower. It's such a... I love the fragrance of this. I don't know why, but I like it. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. So I'm quickly gonna go get dressed. I gotta go shopping. I gotta pack my stuff. I'm gonna be driving tomorrow. Plus, I would be vlogging and talking to you about how and what you know, why I took this vacation, which is so important for me at this point of time in my life. It's a family get together and I don't want to miss this chance because you know, we did not celebrate Christmas last year because of my father's demise, but we are all good now and we are trying to grow up from the loss, but life moves on. So tell me, what do you think about this look? Try to recreate it and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye.